Today we will check Ferrari 458 central console switch repair. Let's see how to replace those often broken switches. Normally they break after some time. To remove it, we insert the screwdriver here and pull up. That's it. It's just these 2 points. With a small screwdriver you can do it. Let's do the other one. Okay, done. Let's remove those hexagonal screws. We removed the screws and the 2 buttons. And the panel came out. Now let's continue. With a flat screwdriver, we wiggle a bit, and we can take it out. Here is the same. And it comes out. D is Italian for right. S is Italian for left. Very important to remember when doing Italian cars. We put screwdrivers here and take out the other one. Done. Now also on this side. Now also left side came out. This is the base for the button. In general, the parts to replace are 2 buttons and 2 bases. Often the bases are the ones which break even earlier than the buttons, so we recommend to replace all. Let's remove the bottom part now. From this side, here is a buckle. Gently use a flat screwdriver to wiggle, and is done. There are screws here. If you need to replace the base, you'll need to take them off. Now what we do is place a flat screwdriver again into this opening. Pull out the cover and it opens. Careful about the direction, though. Do as you see here. So this is it. This sits on top, and the switch is over here. That's a full set, as you see here. Now it's time to replace them with the items in our kit and install them instead. These on the right are the original parts. These on the left are our replacements. Usually this buckle will break. Like here, this part is a bit tiny, and it might break. On the base, there can be also problems, so we go for replacement as well. The roof switch is only for the Spider model. That's not our case, so we just installed the window switch. About this bigger bottom part, normally it does not break. Thus we do not replace it today. So we change just these. We'll first reinstall the original bottom part. Be careful with direction. Put it according to the position of the button. Right here. Apply a bit of pressure to make it click. Done. Install the 2 screws we removed before. Now, see the wire. Need to be in this direction. And we can push it in. And it will click in. On the other end. Looks like this. Now, we installed our replacement bases. D for right. Installed in position according to the buckle. Okay, done. Now we do left. Done. Apply a bit of pressure, not a lot. Now we are ready to put it into the console tunnel in this direction as it was before. Done. Now we turn it around. Time to install the small switches on top. Remember to double check for left and right. Push them in and that's it. A bit of pressure and it's okay. Done. Works good. The other side now. All okay. It's done. One tip. When you do this work, if only one side is broken, there is the possibility you will break the other side, even if you try to be careful. So my recommendation is to get both sides replaced. Furthermore, both the external button and the base under it can break. If you want, you can just replace the external button. Just make sure the base is not damaged first. Then it will be quicker to do it. The 2 lower buttons here, using the same logic, their base can get broken too. Here is how it looks after installation. And this is how to disassemble those buttons. Here are already assembled. We use the flat screwdriver and wiggle a bit. Over here. Done. To install, it's similar to the others. Just press it on. This is D for right. And that's L for left.